ना ना अरे भाई उतर जाओ अरे अरे नो है रे तब स्कूल है तुरंत नहीं विपुर में नोटी कोट पहाड़ कोट गोल ओए दुनो are here now and here see you guys all
Yeah, sure,
see.
sure. So the thing is that I didn't know that we have to climb that far. Can you see that peak?
He didn't know but I knew it
You knew it. But I
I
didn't
know it
Before climbing that peak, do you think you need some kind of extra energy or Red Bull, etc.?
no extra energy is
Not required.
needed for me but for you
it may be required.
okay peace out
Okay, let's go. Let's go. We have rode a long distance, starting from. Let me wear my specs, man. It's very. The sunshine is very harsh.
yes.
So now here's Mr. Suranjit. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah. Yo.
Yo.
This is
Yo, bro.
Tarun.
Yo Honey Singh yo bro
And show them that peak also now, man.
yeah
So let's go now.
Okay. Let's move. Let's move.
ơi lại 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 lại
It's a hell kind of ride.
I wish I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I wish I was talking to you on my road, cause I don't want to scare the love and shine like chrome. I wish I was on my road, heading to
oh lại lại এই ডগিটো আমাক বেয়া ফলো কৰি আছে বে buddy you need something to eat we'll provide you I guess we'll have to travel a lot daily up and down works বটলে পানী বটল আৰু এই ঋতুৰাজৰ যিটো ডায়লগ পাতলা হৈ যাম বোলে এলা ওপৰলৈকে গৈ পাম না নাই নাপাম সেইটোৱে বহুত ডাঙৰ কথা হৈ গৈছে
হেৰি কৰি দিলা
চোৱা কোৱা
তোমাক নহয় আগত যা ওপৰ পাব দিয়ক তাৰপিছত পাতলা হ'ব মাজৰ মাজত যদি ফুটি যায়
So it is not that I can't climb mountains. I found a new friend. This is the buddy. He's guiding us. He's our guide.
He's our
the Sherpa. But the Nakati Hills Sherpa.
But see,
We don't need.
master plan was mine.
किन्हें गाइड टू बुरिया भाई सुरे आमी ना भाई एक कुत्ता जो गाइड बन गया हम लोगों का डोगी हाँ ये जाने ना रास्ता टू हाँ कंटिन्यू I think they used to do zoom farming here. This is a kind of farming called zoom farming.
This is basically done in hilly areas. The trek is getting tougher and the height is increasing, but we won't stop. We'll climb till the night, isn't it? Hoi. So previously also I have climbed many mountains, and Shillong Hills is one of these, not mountains exactly, hills. And Shillong was one such kind of hill which is very tough to climb. But climbing here in Nagkati Hills is the first time. This trip or trekking was totally unplanned. What happened was that yesterday evening we all friends sat together and decided what to do for today. And the outcome of that discussion was that हमें Nagkati Hills आना है आज, just for trekking. And we go together, and here we are. Let's find out other things as we go up.
खाओ कोई ना खाए बिस्कुट
Hey, doggy, खा लो.
मैंने सोचा था
तुमने सोचा था? क्या सोचा था बोलो तो?
मैंने सोचा था बहुत ज्यादा ऊंचा होगा, हम लोग सो नहीं पाएंगे, उसके बाद
सो नहीं पाएंगे.
वो तो होगा ही ना, ये तो यूएस का मजा ले लो.
अच्छा तुम कुछ बोल दो भाई.
क्या बोलूं भाई,
ये हिल को लेके कितना ऊंचाई,
तो बहुत ऊंचा है भाई.
सांस वास ले पा रहा है ऐसे भाई?
हाँ
या फिर माउथ रेस्पिरेशन देना पड़ेगा क्या भाई?
रेस्ट ले रहा है ना अभी.
अच्छा ठीक है भाई, तो बहुत ज्यादा टायर्ड हो गया. फ्रेश नहीं की भाई. सो कोट पानी तो
ठंडा
खाना नहीं. अबे कोरपोरेट पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है?
ठंडा हो गया तो
कभी ला दुई लो बे हिंदी खाया था.
ओ बहुत बढ़िया बे.
इतना ज्यादा ऊपर आ गए हैं तो हमने पानी का सोर्स मिला है, तो हम लोगों ने सोचा है थोड़ा चेहरा धो के फिर रिफ्रेश होके जाते हैं आगे.
पानी तो आही আছে না
तो भाई तुरंत
বাৰিষাটো থাকে এইটো পুৰা ভৰ্তি হৈ থাকে. ঠাণ্ডা না মানে পাছৰ বিন্দা আছে, যখন পানী ওলাইছে মানে
थोड़ा बहुत धो लेते. We'll have to wash. ज्यादा चल चुके हैं, भी लगता है ऐसे ही गेट दिया. होप इट इज द एंडिंग पॉइंट. So, कहीं पे तो पहुंच गए, नहीं मालूम इसका और भी ऊपर जाना है. ओरा कोई है? Oh, it is locked. No one's here. And we will have to climb much more. Till then, peace out. What I see, these are wild buffaloes. He's trying to fight with the dog. And my friends, so we came from that lowland to this. Now we have to climb up to that point, I guess. Till then, we take a snapshot here. We relax. Wild buffaloes, they are coming near and near. Let me show you how it looks. Whoa, very dangerous. हाथ दिया और होरी दिया जगह. Drama को report. Never felt so tired like this. I'm gonna die so hard. Just watch him. Okay. He's also too tired.
इंटरटोन आपको यहाँ पे कैसा लगा? आप यहाँ पे आके
तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. ठीक है, मगर बात ये है कि मैंने नहीं सोचा था इतना ऊपर उठना है, चढ़ना है मतलब एक्चुअली. और मैंने छोटा मोटा पहाड़ बहुत ज्यादा चढ़ा है. एंड आई डोंट फील बैड, आई फील हैप्पी व्हेनेवर आई क्लाइंब हिल. मगर यहाँ पे तो थका दिया भाई. थैंक गॉड एक दोस्त मिला है जो कि हम लोग का डोगी है।
तो हाँ डोगी है।
हाँ, वो आवारा होने से भी आवारा लोगों को पहचान जाता है ना।
वो
तो
तो
हम लोग
सही
भी
है।
आवारे हैं। तो हम लोगों से दोस्ती हो गया बड़ा अच्छा सा। तो ये तो आधा अभी तक पहुंचे, तो और ज्यादा ट्रैक
So you're feeling tired now? That means.
Yeah, exactly not tired. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, okay.
So sitting for a while to get some kind of energy, na, to gain or regain some kind of energy. And since Red Bull does not, what do you say, promote our concept or our channel, so we have not brought Red Bull.
Yeah.
Any other drink we can. If Red Bull promotes it, then we will always bring Red Bull, not beer and all.
So we have to go now.
So
Because many times.
go up or go down. What?
Go up.
Go up. Go up.
Go up.
We have energy.
Loads of energy.
So
We can even break the mountain, not just climb it.
you have to say something.
We can break the mountain. We don't need to climb it.
We have to climb lots of more. Let's go. With full of energy. Let's go.
So, buddy. So this guy has been following me. So he has become a good friend of mine. And I love him. Wish I could take it home. But I don't like the idea of capturing everything and taking it back to my shelter. Let him live where he is in a peaceful and freely manner. Lots of flowers, huh? So these are wild flowers. Oi, हमारे डोली टू की बिचारी है ताते डोली ओ डोली what are you searching man frog चला देखो ये हंटर असिल बे last life और
I want crab.
oh what is this kind of fruit it's some kind of wild fruit no সুরজিত কিবা জঙ্গলীয়া ফল চাও বস্তু ক'ত আছে এইটো নি oh नाम तो नहीं पता बट some kind of wild fruit देख के अच्छा लगा so I think we finally reached to the peak after climbing for 2 hours climbed woo the road is very narrow and you can see the view you have climbed so far अभी चढ़ना तो है चढ़ाई करना ये लट्ठी लेके तो चढ़ के फायदा नहीं है और मुझे तो आइडिया करना है कैसे चढ़ना है तुम लोग तो साले पहले ही चढ़ गया और फिर चढ़ने आएगा क्या तुम लोग या नहीं आएगा
आएगा बार बार आएगा
आएगा किस तरफ है भाई इस तरफ या इस तरफ
इधर में आता इधर इधर
इधर से
नहीं नहीं भाई ओ भाई इधर इधर
उधर से
हाँ
अबे वैसे थका आदमी को और कितना थकाएगा आई एम ऑलरेडी एग्जॉस्टेड मैन
आइए से
और तुम लोगों ने रेड बुल भी नहीं लिया साथ में এতিয়া মই উদ্দাত গজাম উঠাই দিবা
ও ইফালে বেছিকে নাযাব
বেছি নাযাব ফাইনালি উই হেভ ৰিচ এনেকে ৰাউণ্ড এনেকে ঘূৰাই দিয়া
এইটো মানে অলপ খোলা আহিলে
so finally
নাযাব
we have reached to the point where we had decided to come. This is Nakati.
Top.
I hope
Nakati top.
na?
Top peak point.
Yo! Till we live, we explore.
Yeah.
So right now we can't do anything else. All we can do is lie down here, take some rest, and then click some nice photos. Enjoy the view. That's all.
Pizza baby, what are you doing?
I'm totally exhausted. Don't call me. I'm gonna die so hard. Yeah, scenery is very beautiful. The climb was really very exhausting. It was awesome, no doubt. And I feel good that I
Came here.
आने के लिए ठीक है मन बनाया that I made my decision to come here. I don't regret it and I feel good. And thanks for you guys for your recommendation to come here. Till then, leave me alone, man.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Opa.
Okay. So this is the cliff, and those are the villages and roadways and rivers. I don't know where we kept our bike. Must be that field. Okay. So we took some rest and we are having some kind of berries and all. All I can say by coming here is that the nature, when kept in pristine nature, it is very beautiful. And we need to try to preserve that. You can see the view. I'm in a cliff. We need to coexist with nature. Wildlife, forest, everything is a part of us. If they are not there, we are also not there. Hope to come some other day. Until then, peace out. This side. Yeah. So Dolly, we will miss you, buddy. He was our guide and he's watching over these hills. He's the caretaker of these hills. He owns it.
डैडी मेरे तू पटाएगा लेके बैंड बाजा घर में आएगा कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही घुमाएगा तू बात बढ़ा तो सही दिल दिया है जान भी तुझे दूंगी दिल दिया है जान भी तुझे दूंगी तू एक बारी आ तो सही दिल दिया है जान भी तुझे दूंगी तू एक बारी आ तो सही